How you going, guys? Dan here from Out and About Oz. We've been sent some car cleaning equipment by Wat-er Blast AU. So, as you can see, car's probably been a couple of weeks between cleans, but they've asked us to give it a go, and we've got a sponge, new spray gun, and a couple of bottles of soap. So, this one's the for your all-terrain package, or part of the all-terrain package, which is probably a bit more of a I don't know, I suppose a breakdown clean, so it should help with all the bugs and stuff all over the lights and bull bar and car and bird droppings and stuff like that. And my understanding is this one, which actually smells really nice, is more of like a upkeep. So if you're not going away, or if you just go away and there's a bit of light dust and something over your car, you probably want to just hit your car and give that one a spray once a week. Just let that soap dig in a bit and then gurney it down. Oh yeah. So I'm definitely learning this as I'm going, but all we got to do is throw 100 ml of this stuff in to this litre bottle. As you can see, they've got their own, but there's some clear markings on the back, and we've already got our water in. That's us there. Pop that in. When we spoke to them, they asked us what we needed. They've got a heap of different attachments for all sorts of different gurneys and brands and makes and models, but we've got a Karcher, so that's what they've sent us. We'll give it a go. The sponge is obviously there to for the harder to remove bits, because a bit of soap might not get rid of everything, so you've got to give it a bit of a scrub. But it's microfiber, it's nice and soft. I'd probably be a little bit worried. Keep an eye on like rocks and stuff getting bedded in there, but other than that, it should be pretty good for the paint. So I'll just give it a quick rinse. That way I'll get rid of all the larger matters of bird poo and rocks and tar, anything that's big, the mud and stuff from four-wheel drives, that'll all come off. Probably one tip that I have found is not to get your gurney and point straight into your grill, because you'll fold the fins on your radiator. I've seen it done. So stay away from that one. So I've just swapped the gurney nozzle out to the Karcher attachment on the end of the new blowjob gun. Put that on the wrong way already. There we go. So there's a few different settings on it, just to change obviously your fan and different pressures and how it comes out and what way. I'm yet to learn those ones, but we're doing that now. Right, there you go. So on the end of this, the red tip on the blowjob machine, that controls obviously straight up and down, or if you want to pinpoint it. And then I'm assuming this one here, your water to soap ratio, full pressure as well. That one does your pressure, and that one does either your vertical spray or your jet spray. So I'm just going to go like that slowly. I think the benefit of this stuff, on paper, looks really good for all your accessories, spotlights, aerials, racks, solar panels. It looks like it should cope with all of that. The only thing I did read that was a warning was your open aluminium, so like your alloy wheels. Depending on what they are and how they are, just keep an eye on your set times on that. One thing I'm enjoying about this gun, and I don't know how many others do it, but the adjustable nozzle on the end, the fan, really good for covering the side of your car straight away. You can get cover a lot of ground, but when you adjust it, people with high four-wheel drives or caravans for that matter, being able to direct it up onto a rack, I'm finding that very handy. I do like that. There you go. First impressions of that car cleaning kit. We're pretty impressed with the dust and the dirt and some of the chunks of mud and stuff that came off. It obviously gets in and breaks it down pretty well. I don't know how well it showed up at the start, but there's a lot of it that's sort of just come off. I intentionally didn't use the sponge because I didn't really want to. I want to see how good the soap sort of goes by itself without the aid of scrubbing, and I'm pretty happy with it. Went well. Everything seems pretty clean. It seems like a good product. So, tripping in the gurney. Thank you very much. Appreciate you watching. And if you want, jump over, check out Wat-er Blast. We'll chuck them up on our Instagram. You should be able to find them in one of our posts and have a look at what they've got and what they can sort for your solutions: bikes, boats, trucks, machinery, four-wheel drives, caravans, campers. They should have something that'll keep you clean. Cheers.